When the NovoPro device is powered up, it will automatically display the home screen. There are three main regions of the home screen. The largest area is a slideshow region that can be customized by users, such as a school or company logo or information about the meeting room, such as Wi-Fi credentials. This area can even play a video clip for promotion or instruction. The right sidebar region displays login information. The bottom region has the settings menu as well as optional apps. The right sidebar region contains important information related to connecting to the NovoPro, including the device name, PIN code, and IP addresses for both wireless and wired network connections. The QR code contains the exact same information and is provided to make the process of connecting a mobile device as simple as possible. You can change the device name by clicking on the current name. When you click it, a pop-up keyboard will display for easy input. For example, you can change the name to indicate Room 101. The PIN code, shown in yellow, also doubles as the AirPlay password when you connect your iOS device or Mac with its built-in AirPlay feature. The PIN code changes automatically with each session to provide higher security protection. IP addresses are usually allocated by your DHCP server on your network. However, a static IP address can be set up as well. At the bottom of the right sidebar, you will find two pieces of important information. First, there's the firmware version on this device. There are occasional firmware updates with new features and improved performance. The firmware version number is a good way to track the updates. The button displaying the edition version allows you to change between corporate mode or education mode. As the names imply, education mode is designed for classroom uses, where teachers have full control of the presentation process, such as choosing who can be a presenter and providing the option to preview student screens before they are displayed. By contrast, corporate mode is designed for general meeting room usage, where every participant has equal access and control unless a moderator has been set. Then, the moderator can control the meeting. As mentioned earlier, you can customize the slideshow area in the large top left region. To do so, you will need to use NovoPro's management software, Remote Manager, which is available for download on the NovoPro webpage, which is the same location where you may find Desktop Streamer. Once Remote Manager software is installed, you can add the NovoPro device by its IP address. Select your device, then click on Home Screen Config to access the customization dialog. From here, you can see a list of pre-installed slides and videos. You can select or deselect content for the slideshow, and you can change the timing of each video. You can also upload your own customized content to the NovoPro device slideshow. Once you've selected your chosen or new content, click Sync to synchronize your new content to the NovoPro device. You can choose from a variety of apps by clicking the plus sign. Here, you can select or deselect apps to use as hot buttons. There is also a browser for quick internet access. If you connect the NovoPro to a touch-enabled LCD panel or an interactive projector, you will have an instant whiteboard. You can also use a mouse inserted into the NovoPro USB port to enable whiteboarding capabilities. Click on the Whiteboard app to start. In a couple of steps, you will be able to draw, type, highlight, and even import pictures. You're also able to change backgrounds, save, and share each board that you draw. Click the Novo icon to display menu options. The Restart button will reboot the device. The Wi-Fi button is used to access wireless connection configuration settings, where you can set the SSID, Wi-Fi channel, and password. The Display button is where you can make adjustments to the video signal, including output resolution, scaling to compensate for overscan, as well as enabling or disabling HDMI CEC control. The Settings button accesses additional options. Clicking the General Settings button takes you into many more available choices. Feel free to explore on your own. Here you can trigger firmware updates or set a password to prevent unwanted configuration changes by choosing Settings Protection. Once this is created in Remote Manager software and enabled on the NovoPro settings screen, attempts to change any settings on the NovoPro device will always prompt for a password. By clicking the Novo icon, you can change the device edition, get information about the NovoPro device, and simplify your display screen by hiding the session info or the QR code. You can configure the home screen slideshow by clicking which items you want to display from the pre-created list or your customized user-defined uploads.